Over time, the Tesla Pi phone has steadily become a magnet for curiosity and speculation, drawing widespread attention from the public and media alike. Its mere potential has sparked heated debates across online forums, tech communities, and fan circles. Some are convinced that if Tesla ever officially releases this phone, it could pose a serious threat to Apple's long-standing dominance in the smartphone world. This belief isn't baseless. Tesla, after all, leads in real-world AI development and is already known for pushing the boundaries of innovation. Elon Musk has been vocal about Tesla's unmatched progress in AI, stating that it's not only about electric vehicles anymore. However, despite the excitement, there's also no shortage of skepticism. Critics argue that Tesla should concentrate on perfecting its core product lineup, mainly electric vehicles, instead of venturing into the hyper-competitive phone market. These skeptics mock the idea of a Tesla phone as an overreach, predicting it could flop as hard as some of Huawei's less successful global ventures. Yet Elon Musk has directly addressed this skepticism multiple times. He firmly insists that a Tesla phone is not only viable but essential. In his view, Tesla has the capability, resources, and strategic positioning to produce such a device at scale. Moreover, the smartphone market remains enormously profitable, and Tesla's entry into it would serve a purpose far beyond just profit. It would ensure integration and security across Musk's growing ecosystem of futuristic technologies. The necessity of the Tesla Pi phone stems from more than just business ambition. Musk has highlighted that Tesla's phone would be critical for establishing ultra-secure communication lines, especially for interfacing with highly sensitive systems like the Tesla bot and Neuralink. He underscored the potential consequences if such systems were compromised, noting that the damage could be catastrophic. Hence, a proprietary Tesla phone would serve as a secure gateway, ensuring that interaction with these systems is encrypted, locked down, and tightly controlled. The need for a phone built entirely on Tesla's software infrastructure becomes clear when one considers Musk's broader vision, a fully connected ecosystem where all components, vehicles, robots, home energy products, and even human interfaces are harmonized under a single secure network. Given Tesla's capabilities in both AI and energy tech, building such a phone is well within reach. Musk himself has even commented that Tesla might be in a better position to create an Android 9-phone alternative than any other company. Thanks to its software prowess and vertically integrated operations, Tesla has long worked toward creating a seamless ecosystem where its EVs, solar products, and energy storage solutions can communicate and operate in concert. Introducing a Tesla phone would further this mission by replacing reliance on third-party platforms, especially from companies Musk has often publicly criticized. Apple, in particular, has drawn his ire, especially following its announcement that iOS 18 would integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT under a new Apple Intelligence feature. Musk responded by threatening to ban Apple devices across all his companies, including Tesla and SpaceX, if such integrations were baked into the core operating system, citing them as significant security risks. He even went so far as to suggest that any visitors carrying Apple devices might need to leave them in Faraday cages to prevent potential data leaks. Musk's disdain for Apple doesn't stop at software security. He has also taken jabs at Apple's hardware, calling the iPhone's innovation stagnant and its design iterations nearly indistinguishable from each other over recent generations. He's also referred to Apple as a Tesla graveyard, insinuating that Apple hires people who couldn't cut it at Tesla. Nor does Android fare much better in Musk's eyes. This dual dissatisfaction with both tech giants reinforces the idea that the Tesla phone wouldn't just be another Android clone or an iOS rival. It would be its own standalone innovation, crafted entirely on Tesla's software stack, which already powers its vehicles using a customized Linux-based operating system enhanced with layers of proprietary code. If rumors are to be believed, the Tesla Pi phone, sometimes referred to simply as the Tesla Pi, will be a robust device made using aerospace-grade titanium alloy, the same ultra-durable material used in building SpaceX rockets. This choice of material means the Tesla phone could be significantly more resilient than most of today's smartphones, including flagship iPhones. While the iPhone might crack when dropped from 3 meters, the Tesla Pi is rumored to survive drops from 5 meters onto hard surfaces without incurring major damage. Such durability would appeal especially to people with active lifestyles, outdoor workers, or anyone who wants a rugged phone without compromising on sophistication. The phone is also expected to achieve an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, the IP68 standard seen in current top-tier smartphones. This rating would allow it to endure everything from brief submersion to hyper-sure water exposure, making it an ideal device for challenging environments. Visually, the Tesla Pi is speculated to feature a striking 6.9-inch 4K display, the size of Apple's largest iPhone models, but aiming for even higher resolution and color accuracy. The display is designed to provide a vivid experience for everything from streaming to gaming. Its edges are rumored to be squared off, giving it a bold look, with physical buttons ergonomically positioned along the sides. A series of 3 or 4 rear camera lenses are expected to be housed in a sleek rear panel marked by a central Tesla logo, reinforcing the company's unmistakable branding. Protection-wise, the screen could come with nanoshield glass, supposedly offering 30% greater crack resistance than Apple's ceramic shield. Some reports even suggest Tesla is testing liquid polymer coating technology, capable of self-healing minor scratches over time, much like the paint finishes found on certain luxury vehicles. What truly sets the Tesla Pi phone apart may be its ability to operate under extreme temperature conditions. Unlike some smartphones, particularly iPhones, which throttle performance or shut down during overheating, Tesla's device could be designed to function seamlessly in varying climates. This would be a major advantage for people working in industrial fields, agriculture, or remote environments where weather and temperature extremes are common. Musk has previously suggested that if companies like Apple and Google ever become too authoritarian in how they manage software or sensor apps, it would be reason enough for Tesla to build a phone. The idea being, users need a phone they can trust, one that doesn't act like a gatekeeper between them and their digital lives. Battery life is another area where the Tesla Pi is expected to excel. Leaked information suggests a 6,000 mAh battery significantly larger than what's found in current iPhones. With that kind of capacity, users could expect up to 50 hours of usage on a single charge, far surpassing the typical 20-hour battery life seen in high-end smartphones today. This would be transformative for people constantly on the move or anyone tired of carrying power banks. But it's not just about the size. The phone is also rumored to leverage Tesla's technology derived from its electric vehicle battery systems. The result could be a full charge from 0 to 100% in roughly 35 minutes. That would place it leagues ahead of Apple's devices, which can still take nearly an hour to fully recharge, even with the best hardware. Then there's the solar charging rumor, perhaps the most talked about and polarizing feature. While some believe the phone might incorporate miniature solar panels, most tech insiders agree it's an unlikely addition due to the design complexity and limited efficiency of current solar tech. Nevertheless, the mere idea of solar charging on a mainstream phone has captured imaginations, and with Tesla's background in solar innovation, it's not entirely out of the question in the future. More realistically achievable, and arguably more revolutionary, is the Tesla Pi's rumored capability to connect directly to the Starlink satellite network. By bypassing traditional mobile carriers, the Tesla phone could theoretically access high-speed internet nearly anywhere on Earth, whether you're in the middle of a desert, sailing on a remote sea, or hiking in the mountains. This would also eliminate the need for a SIM card or traditional mobile plan, radically reducing dependency on telecom giants. Though early models might still include a SIM slot as a fallback, the emphasis is clearly on creating a standalone, globally connected device. Speeds up to 200 Mbps have been rumored, making it competitive with many 5G networks, and ideal for travelers and remote workers alike. The phone's camera system is also expected to lean heavily into AI-powered image processing. Rather than relying on manual adjustments, the Tesla Pi would use real-time AI to fine-tune lighting, exposure, and effects, producing sharp, vibrant images effortlessly. The main lens is rumored to offer 50 megapixels, slightly more than Apple's for 8 MP. Real advantage lies in Tesla's advanced software optimization. A next-gen night mode and improved HDR system would make this phone especially good for low-light photography, a growing priority for everyday users who rely on point-and-shoot convenience. As anticipation builds, one thing is clear: if the Tesla Pi phone becomes a reality, it won't just be another gadget. It could redefine how we interact with technology. Whether it launches soon or later, its potential impact is already being felt across the tech